Mzansi fashion scene. Let's see who stole the show, where and how. Mihlali Endamis at Durban July 2025. She really ate this look up. Mihlali pulled up to Durban July 2025, looking like absolute royalty. No exaggeration, she didn't just dress up, she owned that red carpet. She wore this jaw-dropping black and gold gown, designed by Masango. Shout out to Saifasihil Masango. The dress was called Igiolide, which means gold in Zulu, and trust me, she looked like a walking piece of 24-karat art. The gold detailing wasn't just for shine, it had real meaning behind it. The design was inspired by Johannesburg's mining history and Ndebele patterns, blending culture and fashion in the coolest way. The structure of the dress, sculptural, dramatic, perfectly tailored. It hugged her in all the right places and had these bold pleats that made her look like she just stepped out of a futuristic fashion fantasy. But with deep roots in African heritage. And don't get me started on the glam. Hair slicked back, face beat to perfection. With that sultry smoky eye and glowing skin, she looked effortlessly powerful. The whole look gave, I didn't come to play, I came to dominate. And she did. People on social media went crazy. Comments like, she won Durban July and Best Dressed. No question, were everywhere. Honestly, I agree. There were lots of amazing looks that day. But Mihlali's outfit told a story, made a statement, and looked stunning all at once. Final thoughts, Mihlali wasn't just dressed up. She represented. She showed us how fashion can be fun, bold, and still deeply meaningful. She ate. No crumbs left. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe